Lo ongenele umbango wesikhundla sobukhansela ku-Ward 37 ngaphansi kweqembu umphakathi waRuna uXolani Madiba ubambeke umhlangano lapho-ke bekuzobhungwa khona ngeyinselelo umphakathi obhekene nazo mayelana nokulethwa kwezidingo zomphakathi. uMadiba uthi ukuzibandakanya kwakhe nomphakathi angeke kugcine njengokhetho lohulumeni basekhaya okubhekwe kulo lapho ethembise khona ukuthi uzoqhubeka nokuhlanganyela nomphakathi ekutheni kutholakale izisombululo ezinkingeni ezikhungethe imiphakathi.
Ogaqele sobukhansela kwiqembu umphakathi waRuna ku-Ward 37 kumasipala waseJohannesburg uhlanganise umphakathi ukuzazisa aphinde athule umqulu wezethembiso komsombuluko ekseni. Lo wesilisa uthi-ke kubalulekile ukuthi abantu bazi ngezidingonqangi okumele ngabe bayazithola.
I got a lot of issues la ukuthi they've got ama-issues we-crime and ama-suspects are well known, amaphoyisa awayenzi niksi. And also we've got service delivery issues where we don't have a park serviced. I-park la mesikhona kungcolile, kuyanuka nokunuka eparkini. So those are issues okumele zi-addresswe sikhona ukuthi sibize the-authorities bazoyenza umsebenzi wabo, especially abantu concerned ngey'ndaba zezindlu. Babuza ukuthi they've got a project yala emathungumini, abayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, the councillor akakhulumi niksi, aba-update umphakathi, even the officials from housing. So basicelile as an organization ukuthi okay singenelele sibone ukuthi sinceda kuphi.
Khona manjalo uphethe ngokuthi akazami ukuheha abavoti kodwa-ke nomphakathi uyamazi njengomuntu owusebenzelayo.
Before I became a councillor candidate ngilongiyenza lo msebenzi lo. So I told them and assured them ukuthi it's not only for elections, even after elections. Right now siyenza ukuthi sibone ukuthi ama-numbers wethu sihamba nabo bani, sisa nabo bani, but whether we win or lose sizoqhubeka ngomsebenzi.
Umphakathi waRuna udume kakhulu ngokulwela izindlu othi-ke kumele wonke umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika azithole njengelungelo lakhe. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo South.